Hey, if you've ever wasted time wrestling with Canva or other tools just to make a simple PDF guide or a free lead magnet, you're not alone. I'm Sondra Verva with Simplify and Amplify Your Business with AI, and I know exactly how it feels staring at templates that never look quite right, spending your entire afternoon tweaking fonts, finding the perfect image, only to end up with something that just doesn't feel professional or quite your brand. What if I told you that there's an AI tool that can create beautiful PDF guides in under 5 minutes? No design skills needed. Just upload your text, tweak a few details, and you're done. Imagine how much time and energy that you're going to save so you can focus on what actually is growing your business, serving your clients, and making money, instead of getting stuck in design rabbit hole. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I use Gamma to create stunning PDFs in just a few minutes. And make sure you get my link to get extra free points to create your own designs. Today, we are going to create a beautiful guide that I'm going to upload in this program called Gamma. We're going to go ahead and we are going to import this from my desktop. And it is a simple text-only PDF file that we are importing. And you're going to see how quick and easy I could make a presentation, a web page, social posts. We're going to do a beautiful document here today. And it just uploaded your guide to natural comfort, soothing recipes for an active body and home. I want to preserve all of this information here. And it simply broke it into specific sections based on the information that was on the PDF. And it broke it down into 10 different areas. All I'm going to do is I'm going to hit continue. This is so easy. I'm going to pick the theme, click generate. You're going to see how quickly this puts an entire beautiful guide that I'm going to download into a PDF together. And watch it right before your eyes. Look at the beautiful background on this with the essential oils. Now, you can do as much changing of this as you'd like, but it's going to put it all together for you first, nice and simply. Look how beautiful that is. Every time I watch this, I am simply amazed at it. It's giving us a recipe. A little bit of graphics here, decides when it needs 2 columns. It already developed a graphic I didn't even get to show you yet, but just wait, it's coming. There's another one right there. I'm telling you, everything I'm doing here is free. Yes, free. And I'm going to be sending you a link and you'll get some extra free points. It is almost done. We're at 3 minutes going in, showing how quickly this is developing. How long would it take you if you were going to put this together inside of Canva or any other program? And this was just a simple PDF. You can change out the images if you want to have specific images in there of the specific products. There's another graphic and an FDA compliance disclaimer. That is it. I'm going to show you this from the very beginning, right? And I'm going to download this as a PDF, and it's going to have all of this information and background in here. You can leave it as is. I'm going to use this as a simple lead magnet. There you go. You see how you can click things. You can change them around if you're like, I'm not really sure I like this. You can change the layout. Look at that. If you're like, I'm not really sure I like this, so I'm just going to make it look like that. Change it around. You know, it's that easy, right? If you want to take the image out, you can make an image if you like, or you can upload an image. So there's a lot of different ways that you can do this, which is really neat. In the essence of time, I just wanted to share that with you. If you wanted to break this up, you can change out the layout, of course, and you can even change out these little icons in here. It's just so easy and simple. You can put your information in the back and simply click share, and I'm going to export it. You can share it. Anyone with a link, you can put it where you'd like. Ooh, this is a good idea. Copy the link and then people can go look at it themselves. But I'm going to just simply export it to a PDF. Boom, easy, done in, well, it was done in less than 5 minutes. I wanted to show you when I click the link, and if I was going to send it to somebody, this is what it would look like to them. Look at how beautiful that is. You don't even have to do the download as a PDF, but if somebody wanted to print it, they could. Simply amazing. It's time to grab that Gamma link, hit subscribe, and check out our free community, Amplify Your Business for coaches and solopreneurs. Stick around for the next AI video with great ideas and hacks to save you time.